Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start an e-commerce store on Shopify. If you've ever dreamed of running your own online business or expanding your existing one, this video will walk you through every step you need to take to create a successful Shopify store. From setting up your account to launching your first product, I'll cover it all. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to get your store up and running. So, grab a notebook, and let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding Shopify. Before we jump into the process, let's talk about why Shopify is the go-to platform for e-commerce. Shopify is a user-friendly, all-in-one solution that lets you create a professional online store without needing any coding skills. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services, Shopify provides all the tools you need to manage and grow your business. Here are some features that make Shopify stand out. 1. Pre-designed, customizable templates. 2. Built-in payment gateways for easy transactions. 3. Seamless integration with marketing tools. Now that we understand the power of Shopify, let's move on to setting up your store. Step 2. Setting up your Shopify account. 1. Sign up. Head over to shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. You'll need to enter your email address and a few basic details. After signing up, Shopify will guide you through a quick onboarding process to help you set up your store's basics. 2. Choose a plan. Shopify offers multiple pricing plans. Start with the basic plan if you're new, and upgrade as your business grows. 3. Pick a domain name. Choose a unique and memorable domain name that reflects your brand. You can either buy a domain through Shopify or connect an existing one. Step 3. Customizing your store. Once your account is set up, it's time to design your store. 1. Choose a theme. Shopify has a range of free and paid themes. Pick one that suits your niche and brand identity. Customize the theme by editing the fonts, colors, and layouts. 2. Add your logo. Upload a high-quality logo to make your store look professional. If you don't have one, you can use free tools like Canva to design it. 3. Set up navigation. Make it easy for customers to browse your store by organizing your menu. Include essential links like Home, Shop, About Us, and Contact. Step 4. Adding products. Your store needs products, so let's get them added. 1. Go to the Products section. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Products, and then Add Product. 2. Enter product details. Include a clear product title, detailed description, and high-quality images. Add variants if your product comes in different sizes, colors, or styles. 3. Set pricing and inventory. Add the price and SKU, stock keeping unit, for inventory management. 4. Organize with collections. Group similar products into collections to help customers navigate your store more easily. Step 5. Setting up payments and shipping. 1. Payment gateways. Shopify integrates with multiple payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify Payments. Set up your preferred method in the Payments section. 2. Shipping settings. Define your shipping zones and rates. If you're selling digital products, simply disable the shipping option. Midway CTA, Pictory AI. Before we move on, let me share an amazing tool that can help you create stunning videos for your e-commerce store. Introducing Pictory AI, a platform powered by AI that allows you to create engaging videos in just minutes. Whether you want to create product videos, marketing content, or tutorials, Pictory AI simplifies the process with its AI-powered features. You don't need any editing skills, and it's perfect for promoting your Shopify store on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Check out Pictory AI and take your store's marketing to the next level. Step 6. Launching your store. 1. Test your store. Before going live, thoroughly test your store. Check the navigation, product pages, and payment process to ensure everything works perfectly. 2. Set up your store policies. Add policies for shipping, returns, and privacy. Shopify provides templates you can customize. 3. Go live. Once everything is ready, click the Remove Password option in your Shopify settings to make your store live to the public. Step 7. Marketing your store. After launching your store, it's time to attract customers. 1. Social media marketing. Create accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Share engaging content about your products and brand. 2. Email marketing. Use Shopify's email marketing tools to send newsletters and promotions to your subscribers. 3. SEO optimization. Optimize your product pages and blog posts with keywords to improve your store's visibility on search engines. 4. Run ads. Invest in Google Ads, Facebook ads, or influencer collaborations to drive traffic to your store. Starting an e-commerce store on Shopify is easier than ever, thanks to its powerful features and intuitive interface. By following these steps, you can create a professional online store and start selling your products to the world. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, focus on delivering value to your customers, and continue improving your store. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful online business.